Welcome back to Spent2Much Diecast. What's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. To all you crew members out there, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. All right, we have a continuation on the Hot Wheels series we've been doing. Like I said, starting off with Hondas. We'll be moving along throughout this year, into next year, all that good stuff. What I'm trying to do is get my vehicles unboxed and into my display case, storage cases, all that good stuff. We started with our Hondas. We're going to move on from there. So today, we're going to be doing the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. So there are some Honda ones that I'm not going to put up on the channel just because there is either not a lot of the castings or maybe it's not a casting that I have all of them. So for instance, if you check out our Facebook page, you will see them, but I do have the Honda Racer up there that we did not make a video on just because I'm missing like 7 of them. So, and this isn't really a casting that I like. Just the fact that it's a Honda, I kind of collect it. But the other one that I did not put up on the channel was the Honda Odyssey, just because there's only like 5 cars. And then the other one I never put up was the Civic EK9, which you guys know what that one looks like. That would be these here. So just because there's only 3 of them, plus the treasure hunt, that makes 4. There's not a lot of them. I did not put them up. But if you want to make sure you guys are up to date with your collection, check out our Facebook page. It has all the albums on there. Or check our link tree down below to our own website, where I also have the collection up there. It's a little bit easier to find, just the fact that it's all together. Facebook, you kind of got to scroll through my albums. So we're going to keep this exactly the same that we've been doing it. We're going to go ahead and do the unboxing and, well, not really the unboxing. I'll unbox them all. They'll be at the turntable, and there it'll give you the description on a voiceover of what year it's from, what series it's from, all that good stuff. But we do have a lot of them here. You can see starting in 2018, we went along main lines. We did see it in like the retro set, I think that is. We did see it as a premium and Japanese historic 3, which is really cool. Then we also have seen it in a Zamac, and then following off the year, this year, with these 2 releases. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Here they are on the turntable, and thanks again for watching. Alrighty, and here is the first mainline starting in 2018 from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. We have the white with the turbo and the 5 on the side. Alrighty, in the second version, also from 2018, Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, we see the second coloring in black with the turbo and number 5 on the side again. Alrighty, and the third version, we're going to 2019 from the Night Burners series mainline. We have it in this nice blue with the deco. Starting this year, we do see the Honda logo on the front and back casting for the vehicle. Alright, and the fourth version, second coloring from 2019 Night Burners mainline. We now see it in black with the decos on the side. And this one does have that Honda stamping in the front and back. All right, number 5 is also from 2019. This one is from the Throwback series, seeing it in yellow with the deco on the sides and on the hood. And number 6 is from 2020. We're going from the Car Culture series, Japanese Historics 3. This is the first time seeing it as a premium with the real riders and the nice orange color with front deco, rear deco, and side deco. Liking the headlight and taillight deco. Already on to the 7th version now from 2020. This is the Hot Wheel Race Day Mainline, and this one is different because there's no Honda stamping on the front or the back. It is in silver with the deco. Alright, so here is the other variation from the one we just saw, 2020 Hot Wheel Race Day Mainline. And now you can see this one on the front grille, you have the Honda logo stamped in it, and on the back you have the Honda logo stamped in it. This was the first time that they made the two different versions. Don't know if it was out of error or not. So we do have a variation for this casting. Alright, next up we are seeing it again from the 2020 Hot Wheel Race Day series. This one though is the Zamak Walmart exclusive with the blue deco. Alrighty, finishing up 2020 with the Hot Wheel Race Day Mainline. This is the last recoloring in the red with the deco. And now we're in 2021, seeing it from the Hot Wheel Turbo series. This is a mainline version, seeing it in this awesome lime green with the deco. Alright, and here is the second coloring from 2021 Hot Wheel Turbo Mainline. We're seeing it in this awesome blue with the deco. So just a quick recap. The first two models did not have the Honda logo casted in the front and rear. Everyone else has had it, except for that one variation that had it without it and with it. But pretty cool casting. Hope to see this in the future.